This is my submission for Simplify Money GenAI assignment. I built a GenAI powered fintech assistant inspired by Kuber AI digital gold investment workflow inside the Simplify Money app. The system allows users to ask gold investment related questions, retrieve contextual AI responses, get intelligent investment nudges, and simulate digital gold purchase through conversational workflow. The backend is built using Fast API and Grok LLM API. I implemented conversational memory retrieval based contextual grounding, intent detection, and transaction persistence using SQLite. The frontend is built using React and deployed on Vercel while backend is deployed on Blender. Now I will demonstrate the working of application. Here, let's write something. To the chat bot retrieve contextual financial knowledge and generate a finance-focused response using LLM. It also naturally introduces digital gold as an investment option without aggressively pushing the user. For getting that option, the intent should be uh, for getting that pop-up for submission for buying. The intent should be towards the purchase of gold. So let's try some other prompt also. Yeah. So like that, when we ask the gold prices, so the LLM, our chatbot detected that we might be interested in investing in a gold. So this pop-up appeared, and then we can directly invest from gold from here. For example, we set price this, and when we type confirm, press confirm, then it will say that your gold has been purchased, and it will appear here. And you can also continue chatting here, and you can also ask question like this: how does digital gold work? Then again, if you ask is gold safe uh, investment or not, or if you write I want to invest in gold, then that pop-up will appear also. And then if you don't want to go for buying and continue chat, then you have to click not now. I also export the backend API through Fast API Swagger documentation. The main API includes Chat API, Purchase Gold API, and Transaction History API. The application also stores the transaction history and portfolio data for tracking user investment. These are those data, and it will be based on ID. Currently, I have hard coded this ID. When user will log in using his ID, all of his transaction will appear. Also during development, I also explored the semantic retrieval using FAIR and embedded based contextual search locally. However, due to pre-tired deployment, constant and heavy ML dependency overhead, I optimizes the deployed version using lightweight retrieval based contextual grounding for better reliability and faster deployment. But in local, we have FAIR's vector DB for getting for storing the embedding into it and driving it from there. Thank you for reviewing my summation. I really enjoy building this fintech Gen AI workflow and learning more about conversational AI system and production deployment.